shone on the white, majestic white. I don't know. What is it called, Mike? Hey. What are you? Reveal yourself. Oh, you didn't jump like a snook. Woo! Look at this ultralight. It is a snook. Come over here. Come over here. And this little rod. You? Are you tired? Because I'm tired. That drag just keep. Woo. Big mama. Whew. On the ultralight. Tubeys. Check out the lure. Check it out. Whew. This guy's bigger. His mouth looks bigger. Oh, big mama. 30, what, 33? Measure this bad boy. We'll release it right now. $33. 33 and a hair and an eighth. 33 and an eighth. Or a quarter. Okay, let's revive this guy a little bit. Beautiful snook. There's a 3. There we go. He wants the guard. You ready? You ready, big boy? Vámonos.